Day one in Tokyo. Day one in Tokyo.
Day two. It's day one.
It's day one. This was our first day.
Officially day one.
Yeah.
No more.
Don't do it.
No more of these.
We're getting coffee at Amamedia. It's below our hotel in the food hall. So food stalls aren't open, but it's really nice to have a coffee spot right downstairs. We're gonna enjoy this coffee and excited to start our first day in Tokyo. Oh wait, that is like a cute little micro bag. Whoa. Whoa. That's really good. They use like a different type of tonic water. Yummy, yummy. Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Not all at once, everybody. Birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday
to you.
Really good.
I get what you mean. Ready? Off to Ginza. Wow. Wow. Yeah, metal.
Salad?
Beef. So tender. The breading is really light. The bread is so soft. My favorite. It's warm. They like just fried it.
It's real shrimp, yeah.
You have to eat it at the restaurant. You have to eat it at the restaurant. It's still good downstairs, but it's fresh. They like just fried that shrimp right now. Pork.
That's solid.
Okay, rate your 1, 2, and first place, second place, third place.
Shrimp, number 1. Pork, number 2. Beef, number 3.
I'll go shrimp, beef, pork.
Shrimp, no, I'm just kidding. Pork and then beef.
Yeah, shrimp is my number 1. I'm changed for the better after that one. And then beef is also very good. Great alternative. Pork is my last, but still a really solid sandwich. Like, they're all very delicious. And you can get these downstairs in the bakery if you didn't want to wait to stay in the restaurant. And they also allow you to buy downstairs if you wanted to come and eat them upstairs. Because they don't do the karepan on the menu, but they do have it downstairs if you wanted to bring it up. Overall rating.
Overall? 7.5.
Overall? I'd say 8. I like it.
7.9.
I think 8. I love this place. Oh, I'm gonna have the karepon. This is from last time.
Feel the 8.
Yeah.
Got it a little bit. That shit's a 10. That shit's a 10. It's still warm. And if you arrive before they open, there'll be a line in the front. But once you open the doors, everyone will either go to the bakery or to the restaurant. And so if you come early, you won't have to wait at all, and you'll get seated immediately. And so we didn't have to wait. It's a good way to start our day. And it's one of the few that are open at 10. So just keep in mind, you're not going to be able to get in anywhere before 10. Most shops open at 10 or 11. So good place to start. And they have good iced tea. Okay, we're going to finish up here and head to our next spot.
It's a cake donut.
Yeah, pretty much.
Very good. Like an old fashioned.
So yummy. Everything I've had here is so fire. Yeah, it's a 10. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, give me that candle now.
That's so good. I wonder what this tastes like. Cheers. What's that hard?
It's the best. Best.
So good.
カロットケーキを1つ。はい、お願いします。This little mini.
ルバロ
お会計こちらにな
はい
ります。時間どれくらいになりそうですか？
あ、今。はい。
特に保冷剤とかはなくて大丈夫ですか？
あ、大丈夫です。
お付けする形で。
はい。Let's go have a bite. It's a Vicky. I'm about to take the sticker for me. I was saying earlier that she asked me when we're gonna eat it, and I said now. She's like, oh, okay. Oh. Cheers.
Better than the other one?
Mm-hmm.
It's very moist.
Very moist. I kind of got even the crust part, and it's still really good.
Moist. The cream's not too
Yeah. Very light.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cream is not too sweet. Good.
very good. Okay, what would you rate this carrot cake?
8.7.
I think it is a 8.5.
I think it's an 8. All right, sorry, we're not shopping yet. We're just eating. We'll shop eventually. Getting ready for the marathon. Walking through Ginza. It's gonna be a big Tokyo marathon tomorrow. So we have like film crew. They blocked off all the streets. Walk around. We're taking a break. On the rooftop. It's pretty underwhelming. A lot of the plants are dead. But still nice. Weather's nice. They have a cute little garden area here. I feel like we're the loudest ones here.
Here's your hack for Ginza 6. Walk past dead plants. There's not an elevator on the other side.
If you're coming from the food court, we went on the, was that north elevator?
Yeah.
Where the food is, and it's really busy. So be sure to check the other side because they have elevators with no wait.
No line.
No line. So it takes you all the way up and all the way down without a wait. Look at this view. This is crazy. It's really nice. Sweet life. Sweet life, sweet life.
Thumbnail.
Yum.
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 Good head right now.
Yeah. We're gonna go eat. We're getting yakiniku for dinner. So let's go. Let's just get inside. We're eating in Gotanda area. There's lots of yakiniku spots, but this is one of the few that we could get a reservation at. So is that not it? This one, no? Okay, maybe not. Isn't it down here?
Is this one?
Yeah, yeah. Front. Look at this whole
This is the closest to sushi you're gonna get.
Really? Really good.
I'm fine.